बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम बिस्मिल्लाहिल अलीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। वॉचर डे सब्सक्राइबर, उम्मीद करता हूँ, दिल से दुआ करता हूँ कि आप सब लोग ईमान और सेहत की बेहतरीन हालत पे होंगे। माई सेल्फ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, लीडरशिप बिजनेस कोच, मास्टर ट्रेनर, लैंग्वेज ट्रेनर, प्रोफेसर MA Raza, and this is a particular vlog about my best friend and my great crush and much more, Mr. Professor. I'm gonna tell you the main person in this vlog is Professor Aqib, and the main guests were Professor Wasim Sattar from Rawalpindi, Professor Ghulam Raza Haider Gondal from Rasool College, and Professor Mudassar Razi, the HOD at Superior College Mandi Bahauddin, for university classes and controller examination at Superior College Satsira Chowk, Mandi Bahauddin, Professor Usman Bajwa, and HOD Biology, Professor Usman Asghar Sahib, and also the hostel warden at Superior, and great personality, EQ leader, Professor Professor Mohsen Raza Mustafi, and Professor Mazin Shahzad Gondal, and Professor Hamza Chima Sahib, and Professor Asif Sahib. All we gathered and all we enjoyed a lot. And this great event of fireworks were presented by great Mr. Professor Asim Sahib, University Coordinator. So we all enjoy a lot, and so on. Also watch this vlog of Pakistani Switzerland, also available on my channel. Must watch it.